Globe amaranth, also known as Gomphrena, is a beautiful annual that gets some height on it. And these inflorescence, or these flowers, are kind of reminiscent of clovers. These will get up to about 12 to 24 inches in height, and they are just a tough plant for the landscape. Now, we haven't had rain in days, and these are just doing wonderfully here. They do best in full sun so that you get the most flower blooms. And one cultivar that is looking really good in the trade right now is called Truffula Pink Gomphrena. And this is what this is right here. Those beautiful flowers are constantly reblooming. Now, this is an annual, and it grows best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11, but these spread easily by seed. Once these seed heads dry, these will replant. Now, that can be a cause for some folks not to like it because they will reseed themselves pretty readily. Again, if we don't have a very cold winter, these can perennialize, but these do have those beautiful pink inflorescence. This is a very durable, very drought-tolerant plant, doesn't have a lot of disease, will do well in partial sun or full sun for the most blooms. So for a splash of beautiful pink color, look for Globe amaranth or Gomphrena. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.